Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have luxury dreamy choices for you. Would you rather design your luxury dream mansion with epic fun choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. This is the first step. Which house are you choosing as your starting point? Now you step inside the living room. How are you decorating it to match your style? Next up, the bathroom. Which toilet do you think has the best look for your vibe? Even the toilet paper stand deserves some attention. Which one you pick? Close your eyes and imagine jumping into a bunk bed. Which one do you land on? If you had the jacuzzi of your dreams, what would the setup look like? It is time to set up your gaming room. Would you pick a Hello Kitty theme, Minion theme, or Bulbasaur theme? Which gaming console is your number one choice? You can only flex one. Next, step outside. Which front yard would you love to have for your dream house? Back inside. Let's pick your bathroom. Which bathroom matches with your vibe best? Challenge for Stitch fans. Can you stop Stitch eyes in a right spot? Only true Stitch fans do this. How many attempts it takes? Comment down below. Book lovers, this one is for you. Which reading nook feels perfect to you? 1, 2, or 3? Now, let's pick you bedroom. Stitch style, Jigglypuff style, or Minecraft style. Your dream home is not completed without your furry friend. Which dog do you pick? You also get to design the ultimate dog palace. Which option wins? Left, middle, or right? Getting cozy now. Do you relax with Sonic, Hello Kitty, or the Pikachu massage chair? Which staircase feels right for your dream home? Time for a fun break. Comment your favorite color, your favorite food, or your favorite animal. Now choose your favorite mug. Breakfast is ready. What are you grabbing first? Let's pick your plushie. Which one you want to cuddle with? Make your choice. Now let's keep going. Which fireplace do you want in your dream home? 1, 2, or 3? How about the view? Which window would you love to look out of every morning? Pick a rug for your living room. Which one matches your vibe? It's time to pick your kitchen style. Where do you cook your favorite meals? Time to pick your kitchen appliance. Which air fryer you want in your kitchen? Time to design the backyard pool. Which style are you picking? Bonus round. Hello Kitty fans, can you find Hello Kitty that different from the rest? Great job, different Hello Kitty is hiding right here. How about the villa itself? How would you design your dream villa? Now let's pick your villa front gate. Which style you want? Ready to step up the game? Choose your fantasy car. Bugatti, McLaren, or Porsche. Style lovers, which wardrobe carry your all stylish dresses? Pick one. Which country is calling your name? Italy, United States, or United Kingdom? Pick your favorite cat. Which one would you take home? Or maybe you want a hot air balloon. Which design would you choose? Quick challenge. Like this video, comment your best friend name, and hit the subscribe for more fun challenges. Time to relax. Which seat looks most comfortable to you? Look up. Which patio roof feels right for your dream home? Now it is time for earbuds. Which design do you like best? It's time to decorate your ceilings. Which chandelier suits your dream house? How about a fun accessory? Which handbag do you choose? Choose your favorite fountain. First, second, or third option. Now decide on your dream laptop. Which one would you take? And what about a swing chair for the porch? Speaking of porches, how are you turning yours into the ultimate hangout spot? Which coffee table fits your living room best? You also get to pick your sunglasses. Which pair do you like most? Gaming lovers? Let's pick your PS5. Which one you want? This sink could upgrade your whole bathroom. Would you pick it? Which pillow would you choose for your couch or bed? And what about your neon sign? Which one matches with your vibe? Now it's shoe time. Which pair looks more beautiful to you? Headphones are up next. Which ones are your style? It's time to pick your smartphone. Which one you always carry with you? Time to pick your fridge, where you store your favorite snacks. Let's pick your beautiful hat. Which one suits your style best? Final and most luxurious choice. Which personal helicopter you want? Pick one. That was amazing luxury dream mansion adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.